Now let's open up the next toys. I will be opening the Aquaman and Warrior Shark.
And I will be opening Aquaman versus Brian King and Orm.
Now let's open up the toys. These are the two 6-inch packs out of the box. This is the Warrior Shark. You can put a bullet inside it in this compartment right here. Just like that. And then you can close it. Here's this water thing that you can put on the seat. And you can put Aquaman on it to swim. This is the lost trident that Aquaman has in the movie, and basically it's a pretty cool toy. And this has a wheel on the bottom, so it can drive on the surface. And also there is this button right here that makes the tail move like this and makes the mouth open. Oh, and this is how you take the bullet out. You push this and the bullet comes out and this button shoots it.
You shot me, creep.
Scared me. And that's pretty much it for this toy. Oh,
now, Orm is this guy, Aquaman's half brother. He has a really cool accessory, which is his trident and a cape. Also, this is the Brian King. It has sharp claws, which can open and close. And he has a really cool shell that goes up from his backbone from his head, and that looks like a mohawk. And Aquaman has like things that at his bottom light brown here, which is basically white. And he has the lost trident too, and he earned his lost trident.
Now let's open up the rest of the 6-inch action figures. I'll be opening Black Manta and General Murk.
And I will be opening Mera and Orm.
Now let's open up the rest of the 6-inch action figures. Oh, mine's easy. these are the rest of the 6-inch action figures out of the box. So this is General Murk. He comes with a sword and a gun. And he's one of the villains in the Aquaman movie. This is Black Manta. He has this little claw thing on one of his gauntlets. And he also comes with this a sword and 2 of these things that insert into here that helps him swim fast.
And over here we have Mera, and she has this little cool water glares that go on her arm like this. And then Orm, he comes with a trident. He comes with a trident like this. And he used this trident to defeat Aquaman and broke his mother's trident.
Now let's play with the 6-inch action figures.
What are you gonna do?
Where the heck is Murk? Seriously.
My state.
Aquaman, where are you?
I'm coming.
There you are. What are you doing? Flying? You can't fly. You're in water, you know. Whatever. See ya. Whoa, man.
Yes.
Transform.
Water glare.
Whoa. I control the 7 seas. I will kill you, King Orm.
You will never kill me. Now, where were you? Warrior Shark, to me.
Hold up. Let me put this on.
I need to insert the batteries. Insert battery.
Don't mess with me. I will defeat you, Warrior Shark. And then I'll go. Whoa! Water strike! You're welcome, Warrior Shark. I will never let you get hurt.
Orm just blast me down that river. I'm gonna get.
Oh yeah, because I have to. I will be the king. You'll never be the king of Atlantis, brother.
Oh, you think about that double once we start fighting.
Oh,
I'm not.
Ocean Masters.
Legendary trident.
It's called Lost Trident. And then you called the 7 seas. You'll never beat me. I'm the Ocean Master.
I call upon the
nothing.
7 seas. Ah! No, my trident. No, my trident.
You'll never defeat me.
Oh,
Warrior
yes.
Shark, unmask me.
Warrior Shark, don't listen to him.
It's all as well.
I need to get on my Warrior Shark. Maria, I need you to cover for me.
Where is it?
I call upon this.
You can't do that.
I know. Wait. Ocean water, I need your help. You will never defeat me. Ocean shield.
Don't make me shoot you with my plasma.
Are you
gun.
okay? Yeah, I'm just trying to go through some difficult.
I gotta get this gun. lock and loaded. I will defeat this Brine King. No, you won't. No, listen to me.
Wait.
Amanda.
Maria.
Mara. Good. Water blast. Double water blast.
No.
Oh God. Can't get this.
I'll help you, Maria. You will never defeat
Mara.
It's Mara that I got it. Nice job, Brine King. Now, kill Aquaman.
No. I call upon the seven seas. I call upon the seven.
No, Brine King, attack!
I call upon the seven sea shield. No matter how you attack me, I am the king of Atlantis.
And this concludes the end of the True Moves Aquaman tour review. Join us next time when we do the Shazam tour review.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
And make sure to turn on your post notifications.
And give us a huge thumbs up.
That's the same. Oh wait, I almost forgot. You have to do the general Murk Water Test.